Stop. Let me ask you one question. What if this rally you are excited about is designed to trap you? And what if the fear you are feeling right now is the exact reason a new bull market could begin? Right now, millions of investors are asking the same question. Is this a bull market trap or the start of a powerful new rally? And here is the dangerous part. Most people will be wrong. In the next few minutes, I will show you how bull traps actually works, why uncertainty is not a signal to panic, and how smart money positions before clarity appears. If you want to think like investors who survive every cycle, stay with me. Let's be honest, one day the market is up 30%. Everyone says the bull market is back. The next day the market drops suddenly it's session, crash, collapse. News headlines changes every 24 hours. But your money doesn't get 24 hours to decide. So the real question is not what will the market do tomorrow. The real question is what phase of the cycle are we actually in? Comment below, are you bullish, bearish, or confused? Be honest. The questions only appears in one environment, uncertainty. In strong bull markets, nobody asks questions. In crashes, fear is obvious. But in transition phases, market moves sideways, volatility spikes, sentiment keeps flipping. This is where retail investors panic, media gets loud, smart money gets quiet and active. If you have ever been confused in market, you are exactly where learning begins. Bull trap definition simple and smart. Let's simplify this. A bull trap is not just a fake rally, it's a psychological weapon. Price goes up just enough to restore hope, pull in late buyers, trigger FOMO, and then liquidity gets taken. Price reverses, retail holds the bag. Bull traps don't steal money, they transfer conviction from weak hands to strong hands. Save this video. This concept alone can protect your capital. Let's see why not every rally is a trap. Here is where most people fail. They see one bull trap in the past and start calling every rally a trap. That's just a fear wearing intelligence mask. Because here is the truth. Every bull market starts is a disbelief. At the bottom, economic data looks bad. Headlines are negative. Sentiment is broken. Market don't wait for good. They move ahead of it. If you have ever waited for a confirmation and missed the move, you know this pain. Let me remind you of something important. The market job is not to be fair. Its job is to confuse the maximum number of people. That's why the bottom feels terrifying, the top feels safe, and the middle feels exhausting right now. We are in we are in exhausting phase. Like this video if you have felt mentally tired watching markets lately. Let's see how smart money thinks. Smart money doesn't ask, is this a bull market? They ask, is the liquidity improving? Is the selling pressure weakening? Is the risk reward asymmetric? Scaling slowly. They don't chase green candles. They don't panic on red ones. Retail waits for clarity. Smart money positions before clarity exists. If you want a separate video on a smart money behavior, comment smart below. Let's see volatility truth. Here is something nobody tells you. Volatility is not a bearish. Volatility is a transition. Big trends are born in a chaos. Calm markets are usually late stage markets. If you are uncomfortable, it might be because opportunity rarely feels uncomfortable. If you are uncomfortable, it might be because opportunity rarely feels comfortable. Don't confuse emotional discomfort with a market danger. Let's see signs of potential new rally. Now listen carefully. A real rally doesn't look explosive at first. At looking boring, you will notice shallow pullbacks, faster recoveries, bad news that stops pushing prices lower. That's no that's not a bullish euphoria. That's a seller exhaustion. If you have noticed the bad news not crashing markets, you are paying attention. Let's see retailers' mistakes. Retail investor ask, is this the top? Professionals ask, where is the risk limited and upside open? That difference alone decides who survives cycles. Share this with someone who always tries to predict tops and bottoms. Let's see what you should do right now. No predictions, no hype. Here is the intelligence approach. Reduce opposition size, increase patience, focus on quality assessed, let price confirm, not headlines. This is not the time for all in bets. This is the time for strategic exposure. If you want a position sizing video, type risk in comments. If you feel fear, good. Fear keeps you alive. If you feel FOMO, pause. FOMO kills returns. Market don't reward excitement, they reward discipline. So, is this a bull market trap or the start of a new rally? The honest answer is it's neither. It's a design zone, and it's a decision zone, and decision zone don't reward prediction, they reward preparation. The goal is not to be first, the goal is to be right and survive. If this video helped you think clearly instead of emotionally, like it. If you want deep, no hype market psychology, subscribe. And remember this, the market doesn't trap impatient people by accident, it does it by design. Stay patient, stay sharp, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.